Welcome. So for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Roblox on your PC. So first, you want to open your browser, any browser that you want, and then search for roblox.com. And then, if you have an account, make sure that your account is logged in into the app or into the page or website. Or if you don't have an account, you need to create one by clicking the sign up button on the home page of Roblox. Okay, and then if you want to play a game on Roblox, you just need to click on it. So for example, I want to play this parkour, so just wait. Then you need to click this green rectangle with an arrow inside. So before you can play Roblox, you need to download their game launcher. Then here, first click Roblox player.exe to run the Roblox installer, which just downloaded via your web browser. So you just need to click this and then just wait. So this may take a while, so you just need to wait. So here, Roblox is successfully installed. Click the play button on any game to join the action. So click OK and click join. So again, you need to wait again and again. So after that, there you have it. You can play any game that you want on Roblox. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.